Hey, I'm Andrew from the kitchen department. Here at IKEA, we believe that you have the right to the kitchen that is designed for your life. And we are here to make that happen every step of the way. So what comes first? Well, you can start by looking for inspiration, and there are a lot of places that you can find it. You could visit your local IKEA store and view the room sets our interior design team have created. Look through our kitchen brochure, or just go online and check out our IKEA site. We've got kitchens to fit any style and home, along with tons of ways to personalize your kitchens based on your needs. There are high-end features like drawers within the drawers, custom organizers, integrated LED lighting, soft close drawers. Most importantly, our kitchens are produced in the most environmental friendly way and using the most sustainable material. This way, we keep our prices affordable. At the same time, we are taking care of our environment. The planning process takes some time, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Besides viewing the beautiful kitchens and all the quality kitchen parts in the store, you may also grab a copy of our kitchen buying guides in store or from our website. When you are ready to design and visualize your new kitchens with our IKEA Home Planner, if you like to do it yourself, it is extremely important to start your kitchen planning with the precise measurement. And we have some guides for you to do it yourself. Talk to our expert in the store to understand the measurement, planning, installation, and finance services that we are providing. Any help you need, we have got your back. Now you know where to start off. I hope to see you soon in one of our stores.